What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm trying out different backgrounds for my videos. This one is our YouTube studio in miniature. Just ignore the mess in the background. Actually, no, don't. Look at it. I spent a lot of time making it look like that. Today we are taking a look at some minis. My new obsession, Barbie Extra Minis. Barbie Extra Mini Doll 7 and Doll 8. I had no idea they even had numbers. Where have I been? I got these on Amazon for $14.99. This one was on sale at Walmart for $7. Doll 7 comes with a bright green stand, a blue backpack with a face on it. Is this even meant for her? Those shoulder straps are really long. Black sunglasses. Whoa. She is extra cute. Seriously, it says so right here. This doll has very long purple hair with bangs that say extra cute. What's this? Tinsel? Yes, this doll has tinsel in her hair, and while it's sparkly, it's totally not my favorite. She wears a white plastic headband, large silver hoops that are not designed to be removed. She wears an oversized color block hoodie with pockets. We have some nice little string details here. It velcros in the back. She can wear the hood. She comes with little leg warmers and wears white boots with a ruffle. Here's that backpack. I'll probably give this to a full-size Barbie. But I am loving the hoodie. Every piece is sewn, no printed details here, except for the hair. Doll 8 comes with a purple stand, a purple gem purse that can open. Personally, I'm not loving the bags. They feel like regular Barbie bags. But I'm loving her outfit. This doll has blonde hair with a center part. It could use a little TLC right out of the box. She wears a gold headband with a crown on it, large gold earrings. She wears a pink ruffle sparkly dress. It's a one-shoulder dress. She wears faux fur, fuzzy pink arm cuffs or muffs that I am probably going to use as fuzzy boots. She comes with gold-colored heels, and she wears a little gold belt that says Queen. This look is very glam. I like the natural-ish hair color. No offense. On a side note, why do people say no offense after saying something offensive? It doesn't make it any less offensive. So I'm sorry, doll number 7, but you still have tinsel in your hair. These dolls are posable, with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, hip, and knee. I do wish their earrings were removable so we could have more freedom to switch out their looks. But for the most part, I love Barbie Extra Minis, which is why they will probably be discontinued. I don't have insider information, I just have bad luck. Remember my mini Mixie Qs? I love those. Where are they now? In the comments, one of you wanted to know if Nindoroids could fit their clothes. My Nindoroid is a little smaller, but I think the hoodie looks pretty cute. I wonder how this Chelsea bathing suit will look on a Barbie Extra Mini. It's a little baggy, but I think we can get away with it. Jazzercise. When I said Barbie Extra Minis are my new obsession, I wasn't joking. This is my travel Barbie Extra Mini. I kind of fell in love with her hair color. I store her in a clear pencil pouch. This is really small, but a great size for my purse, along with a doll stand, a comb, and a pet. But this is Littlest Pet Shop, and I kind of feel like maybe I should stay on brand. I don't know. I have a Barbie Pets surprise egg from forever ago. I wanted to get one of the new ones, but they're all like fantasy animals, and I really didn't want that. I just want a dog or a cat, so we're gonna take our chance with this surprise egg and see what her new pet is. First thing, I have stickers. Yay! Here's the pet. These are flocked, so it will be fuzzy. And her new little fur baby is that a cat? I mean, yay, we're cat people. So here's my travel doll and pet. And now she has even more clothes to add to her wardrobe. My fancy new pink dress and my hoodie. Fashion packs would be greatly appreciated. Can you take the face off a Shopkin? Why not? I have some time to spare. Let's revisit the Eggo pancakes and the beef pot pie. I don't think we need to remove the face on the pancakes because you can just flip them around and then they work. And if we do remove the face, then there's gonna be this giant empty space right there. But you all wanna know, so I guess these two are gonna take one for the team. But the pot pie looks like it's painted all over, so this one might not work too well. I'm using soy nail polish remover because that's all that I have, and it totally removed the eye. Like, it's gone. Should we just leave one? Nope. We have to finish what we start. All right. So, yeah. This is real time, folks. No editing here. Well, now there's editing. But yeah, the face is gone. And I know that this is going to remove all the paint from that area. Let's test it on the bottom first and see if that comes off. Well, it is coming off. And it's a different color underneath. So if we try to remove that face, we will mess up the side of the pie. So, to answer the question, can we remove a Shopkin's face with nail polish remover? The answer is yes. However, you take the chance of removing other painted items. Poor little faceless Shopkin. Now I feel bad. Can you open Remint? I have this Lilakuma Diner. I want to say we've opened ones from this set before, but we didn't have a complete set, so I found a few more. Yeah, I think we have this one, and I want to say this one, and this one. They are all pretty adorable, so I'm sure I will be happy with whatever we find, as long as it's not a double. Oh, seriously. It's the refrigerator, and I know I have this one. I just can't find it right now, but I found the drinks, so yeah, it's a double. It's a good size for Barbie Extra Mini. I have another one, so let's try again. Hopefully it's not another refrigerator. Oh yeah, great. This one is called fried foods. There we go. We have rice in a green bowl. I think that's butter. I think that's a lemon, some fried food, some green stuff behind it. There's a plate, chopsticks, soy sauce. Perfect for a Barbie Extra Mini and a Barbie. Can Barbie Extra Minis fit LOL Surprise furniture? Let's find out. This is the school office LOL Surprise furniture playset. LOL Surprise dolls are a lot smaller than Barbie Extra Minis. However, that desk isn't too bad. The chair is kind of perfect. However, when seated at the desk, her legs can't go under the desk. Based on this playset, it looks like we'll be able to use some LOL Surprise furniture. Can you do another Amazon Fun Finds? Well, I did see this on Amazon. 12-piece mini chair shape cell phone stand for $13.99. Whoa, that was fast! We have 12 chairs in 4 different colors. There are 3 chairs in each color. It's a folding chair. That's pretty cool. And there's a little bracket right here to stop your cell phone from sliding. However, it can be removed. It's about 2.5 inches across and I would say 3 3/4 inches high. So it's kinda small for a Barbie. Might make a decent beach chair though. It's a little large for the Barbie Extra Minis. Her feet are probably about an inch off the ground. But if you really wanted to, I think you can get away with it. Personally, I think it's a little too large for my dollhouse, but it might be a fun prop to travel with. And it can fit in my bag. You know what? It's been a lot of fun today answering you all's questions while having fun with our new Barbie Extra Minis. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff. Seriously. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.